Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and low on energy in the afternoons? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 15 quick and healthy snacks that will supercharge your afternoons. So let's dive right in. Snack 1. Energy balls. First up, we have energy balls. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients and are super easy to make. Simply mix nuts, dates, and your favorite superfoods like chia seeds or cacao powder. Roll them into bite-sized balls and you've got a delicious snack that will keep you going throughout the day. Snack 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Next on our list is a Greek yogurt parfait. Grab a bowl and layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Not only is this snack high in protein, but it's also rich in antioxidants and fiber, giving you the perfect boost to conquer your afternoon tasks. Snack 3. Veggie sticks with hummus. Now let's talk about something crunchy. Cut up some colorful veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumber, and pair them with a delicious homemade hummus. This snack is not only satisfying, but also provides you with essential vitamins and minerals. Snack 4. Avocado toast. Who doesn't love a good avocado toast? Grab a slice of whole grain bread, lightly toast it, and top it with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Avocado is loaded with healthy fats that will keep you feeling full and focused. Snack 5. Smoothie bowl. If you're craving something refreshing, a smoothie bowl is the way to go. Blend your favorite fruits with a splash of almond milk and pour it into a bowl. Top it off with some nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit slices for added texture and nutrients. It's like having a bowl of sunshine. Snack 6. Rice cakes with nut butter. Rice cakes are a fantastic option when you need a quick snack. Spread some natural nut butter on top, like almond or peanut butter, and sprinkle some chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. This snack will keep you satisfied and energized until your next meal. Snack 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a protein-packed snack that's incredibly easy to prepare. Boil a few eggs in advance, and you'll have a grab-and-go snack that's perfect for busy afternoons. Pair it with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Snack 8. Trail mix. Trail mix is a classic snack that never fails to deliver. Create your mix by combining your favorite nuts, dried fruits, and a touch of dark chocolate for that sweet treat. It's a perfect combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Snack 9. Quinoa salad. For those looking for a more substantial snack, a quinoa salad is a great option. Cook some quinoa and add in chopped veggies like cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and bell peppers. Drizzle it with a homemade dressing, and you've got a nutrient-packed snack that will keep you satisfied for hours. Snack 10. Apple slices with almond butter. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Slice up an apple and pair it with a dollop of almond butter. This combination of fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats will give you the energy boost you need to tackle the rest of your day. Snack 11. Edamame. Edamame is not only fun to eat, but also a fantastic source of plant-based protein. Simply steam or boil some edamame pods, sprinkle with a little sea salt, and enjoy this tasty and nutritious snack. Snack 12. Cottage cheese with berries. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium. Top it off with a handful of fresh berries for a touch of natural sweetness. It's a snack that will keep you feeling satisfied and nourished. Snack 13. Kale chips. If you're craving something crispy, kale chips are the way to go. Tear some kale leaves into bite-sized pieces, toss them with a little olive oil, and bake until they're crispy. These guilt-free chips are not only delicious, but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Snack 14. Cucumber slices with tzatziki. Cucumber slices with tzatziki make for a refreshing and hydrating snack. Slice up some cucumber and dip it into a homemade tzatziki sauce made with Greek yogurt, garlic, and dill. It's a perfect combination of crispness and creaminess. Snack 15. Dark chocolate. Last but not least, we have dark chocolate. Indulge in a small piece of dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat, but also rich in antioxidants that can boost your mood and focus. And there you have it. 15 quick and healthy snacks to supercharge your afternoons. Whether you're craving something sweet, savory, or crunchy, these snacks will keep you fueled and focused throughout the day. So go ahead and give them a try. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor regarding health concerns. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and friends. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.